Do you want to learn 2 little words that are going to make a huge difference in your speaking skills? Keep watching. Today we are learning por and para. Por and para are often confused because if you translate them to English, many times they both mean for. So you know that I always want to make things easier for you to learn Spanish. So today we're going to see 3 ways of using por and para. And before we continue, remember that I have a free PDF for you. The link is down below. It's how to learn Spanish vocabulary the easy way. So for location, por is used when we mean going through, going along, going around, okay? And para is for destination. So for example, me gusta conducir por las calles de Madrid. I like to drive around Madrid's streets, okay? And if I say para, for example, ya voy para tu casa. In this case, I could also say ya voy a tu casa. I'm going to your house now. For purpose, so we use por, meaning because of. So for example, yo compré este libro por ti. I bought this book because of you. And para means for. Compré este libro para ti. I bought this book for you. Time. Por is used for periods of time, okay? So for example, me encanta desayunar por la mañana. I love having breakfast in the morning. And para is used for deadline. Quiero este informe para el lunes. I want this for Monday. There are other uses of por and para, and I'll make sure to make another video about it. But if you start using these ones that we have just learned today, and you start practicing them, writing them down, and adding your own examples, you'll see that you get better at speaking. So I hope this video was useful. Make sure to leave me a thumbs up so that I know that you like it, and comment down below with an example. I will correct it. And keep on learning Spanish. I will leave more videos for you to watch in the section down below, along with useful PDFs for you.